Hey guys, Ash Trace here. So 2 days ago I asked ChatGPT to create a trading strategy for me that is very mechanical and easy to use, and it came up with this. This is the third video I'm doing on this strategy, and I'll show you the results now. Okay, so this is the direct results of the strategy ChatGPT gave me 2 days ago. They were very disappointing and not that good at all, I would say. We can see it's a downwards moving curve, and we ended in minus over 3 months. I backtested these 3 months. This gave me an idea to make some tweaks on this strategy. So yesterday I backtested it again, but with a different strategy that is mechanical as well, but where you do the opposite of what ChatGPT told you to do, basically. Let me show you those results. So this is the strategy I came up with, and as you can see, it was much more profitable and a much better looking curve here. It was over 3 months, as the same as before, but this is not enough, I would say. So that's why in this video I want to be backtesting the whole year of 2025. So I'll be doing these 4 months more to see if a bigger sample size gets you more info on the strategy. So let me explain the strategy I used on the first day and the strategy I came up with myself, and then I will show you the backtest, and then we can come to the results over a 7-month period of time. Before we get fully into the video, I want to tell about FX Replay. FX Replay is the software I use to backtest. So if you want to get started, I would recommend you go to the link in the description, click started here, sign up with Google or choose an email, and then you can get a 5-day free trial or just get started right away. This is the plan I'm using for this video. Okay, it's time to explain the strategy. I will start explaining the ChatGPT strategy and then the strategy I came up with. So ChatGPT strategy, 5-minute time frame. It's on ES futures, and the first rule is to mark the high and the low of the first 5-minute candle, 9:30 to 9:35. So this candle, you mark the high right there and the low down here, and the entry is when the price breaks above or when it breaks below. SL is the opposite side of the range, so let's say it breaks below here, then SL is up here. Let's say it breaks above here first, then SL is below here. And your TP is profit 2x every time, and don't care about news or anything else. This was the strategy I used the first day. Didn't get that good results. So here, with this strategy, I would be shorting like this. So this is the ChatGPT trade, and my strategy was basically the opposite in some way. So let me explain that now. You use the 5-minute time frame, ES futures, mark the high and the low, as we did here. Once it breaks, go the other direction. While ChatGPT is shorting, I will be longing this. SL 2 ticks above high or low of the candle that breaks the 9:30 candle, and 2x are every time, so the same as ChatGPT, and no news or anything else. So my trade, it would look like this. Entry here as well, but I'm going long, and I'm doing 2 ticks below the low here of the candle that broke out. So this would be a very, very tight stop loss, but this is my strategy, and it would basically look like this. I hope you understand. In this video, I'll only be doing my strategy, so delete this, and I'll be using this. So we go up here, place the order, and let's see what happens. Right now, it's hard to see if it broke below before it went up, so you can go to the 15-second chart. So it actually went up here before it went down here. I can see that by the account balance, but it's very hard to see right here. So yeah, this was actually a winner on my strategy. Let's go to the next day and see what happens here. So 5-minute time frame. We go to the next candle. This is the 9:30 candle. We mark the high and the low of this candle. The high here, the low here. Let's see where it breaks out. It broke out to the upside. So we go short. 2 ticks above the high that broke the 9:30 candle. We go for a 2x again. Place order. Save. And this was a loss. As you can see, the account balance went down. Go to the 15-second chart. We can see now that it went up here before it went down here. So now a win and a loss in this strategy. I'll give you one more example, and then I'll do the backtest and then show the full results. Go to next day, 9:30 candle, mark high and low, see where it breaks out. It broke up to the upside. We go short, 2 ticks above, and 2x down here. So this is the third trade. Let's see what happens. And this was an obvious loss. Yes, now I'll do the full backtest of the full year, and then I'll show you the results at the end of the video. So here's me backtesting. It took me around 27 minutes to do the full backtest of 4 months. So that's really quick. And if you want to help me out, go to FX Replay in the link in the description and try it out for yourself. Let's see the results. Just a quick recap. This was the 3 months I did yesterday, from May to July. I gained around 24% on the strategy. So let me show you the January to April now. So here are the results for the strategy over January to April in 2025. As you can see, it's very stable, I would say, actually, until we got to the mid of March and start of April. It wasn't that good. but then it recovered a bit here in the end. So here you can see the month by month result. January was a -7, February +4, March -9, April +3, and May +2. So overall, over this year so far, the 7 months that has gone past so far, we would have made -7k plus 24k. So that would be around 17k profit, 17% approximately, minus the fees you pay when you trade. So yeah, it's maybe not the best strategy. We have a sample size of 85 trades here and 57 from the one before, so around 130 to 140 trades. So the sample size is getting bigger, but I will still not say it's enough to come with a full conclusion if this strategy is very good or not. But I would still say maybe not the best. I still think I could do some tweaks here and there to make it better from what I've seen in the backtest so far. So maybe I'll do another backtest video where I try and tweak a little bit more on the strategy, or we can just conclude that this strategy maybe isn't the best as it is right now. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this funny little series where I tried to make a ChatGPT strategy profitable and backtested it live in front of you to see how you can go in and tweak yourself and what it takes to find out if a strategy really is good or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was Ash Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.